Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Windows detected a hard disk problem. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type gpedit.msc. Click on OK. Under computer configuration expand the administrative templates and now expand the system. And now find the troubleshoot and diagnostic. Just expand it and now expand this disk diagnostic. On right side you can able to see disk diagnostic configure execution level. Just double click on it. Set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. After that just close it off here. Now go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy the first command and paste it and press enter. You just need to type Y in keyboard and press enter and the values will be checked next time system restart. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this second command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100% complete. After getting done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.